Hey there, toy lovers. Today we're taking a look at the new Skibidi toilet toy building set, featuring the Titan TV Man and Titan Speakerman 2-in-1 action figure building kit. This awesome set includes 422 pieces to build these fun characters from the Skibidi toilet series. The Titan TV Man comes with a chest device, claws on the shoulders, and hooks on the elbows to prevent the Skibidi toilet man from taking control. Meanwhile, the Titan Speakerman has a striking speaker model on his back, recreated using building blocks. Both figures are made of high-quality, non-toxic ABS plastic and come with easy-to-follow instructions. This set is not only a fantastic collectible for meme fans, but it also makes for a perfect birthday, Halloween, or Christmas gift for young boys, children, and teenagers. So, what are you waiting for? Get your hands on the new Skibidi toilet toy building set now by clicking the link in the description. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more cool toy reviews.